initiating and commencing with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, compassionate, sustainer of the whole universe, King of kings and Lord of lords, and one to be worshipped. First of all, I would like to greet you with an Islamic word. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Luqman Hakim, right here at Knowledge Share Academy. I am working here as an English instructor. Knowledge Share Academy is providing you American English language, which is class starter, book 1, book 2, book 3, and book 4. And we are providing special classes for special people, like special conversation. They are providing education free without any cost. So what are you waiting for? Feel free to contact the given number which will show on the screen. Thank you so much.